YouTube blog. You know what? I'm just gonna say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I know you were being humiliated by a Facebook page. Call it Kanguso Ampalaya Super Page. Oh, don't you know Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? Why are you praising that movie of Paulo Contis, that Dear Satan, you believe on devil? You know, folks, I know I was very angry at Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, with all apologize anyway to Jerick Silva, to Aiza Bancula, the girlfriend of Teacher Vince, even Teacher Gio Malana, even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. I know all of you are involved about this situation, and that situation anyway, this involved, it could all of us will get us involved. So this Best Pills Arnel Castillo anyway, he's the guy who posted a pornography in Twitter. He attacked Joseph Maspinas. He threatened him to destroy, what is that word in Tagalog? He said it, sasabukin ko ang Davao City. And Best Pills Arnel Castillo says. And not even just that, you know, Best Pills Arnel Castillo. Why are you praising Dear Satan, Best Pills Arnel Castillo, after you attack the Davao City, after you attack the people out there in the group chat, especially Teacher Alex, Teacher Vince, girlfriend named Aiza Vancula, or even Teacher Gio Malana, including Teacher JD Chavez, the best friend of Paulo Cuba. What is hell is wrong with you, Best Pills Arnel Castillo? You know, Best Pills, if you add Paulo Cuba and GC, even Ate Vicky, even his uncle Zari, you will get in trouble. You know that, Best Pills Arnel Castillo. You know, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., Best Pills. You are being wanted by NBI Davao. As I told to Joseph Maspinas, you are wanted by authorities. Even the PNP Anti-Cybercrime Division, PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, NBI, Cybercrime Division, and even DILG. You are wanted, Best Pills Arnel Castillo. If I were you, Best Pills Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., people are going to bash you. People are going to comment against you, even in your Facebook account. And then you defend those your ally, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, and Angelo Bonsa, who make up fake news. All of them are fake news peddlers. You know, Best Pills Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, G. Macasandil, and even Angelo Bonsa and Jeffrey Asedio. Somehow, Joseph Maspinas can brutal and torture all of you. Even you, Best Pills Arnel Castillo. All of you ruining his study. Sinira ninyo ang mga pinag-aralan ni Joseph Maspinas, and I know he was very angry. What the hell is wrong with all of you? Best Pills Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, and even Angelo Bonsa. What's wrong? What the hell is wrong, all of you? Do all of you want to be famous, to make a fake news? Do all of you want to make a death threat? Even Shania Kiana, you let her involve in the situation? And you want to involve anyone, not only Shania Kiana you involve the others, you involve Soda Flower, that Miss Earth Thailand 2024, and you involve Isa Vancula, and you involve Jerick Silva, and all of us, we got us involved. Is it what you like? All of you? Don't give us an stupidity anyway, all of you. I know this is very mad and very eradicated, and you know it's really uneducated. Like I say to you, best spells, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jima Casandil, Jeffrey Asedio, and especially Angelo Bonsa. All of you, just remember, for all of you, malilintikan kayo ni Joseph Maspinas. Like I said to all of you, you know, Joseph Maspinas wants to brutal and torture to all of you. Oh, just like he said, oh, sarap ko sila patayin. Oh, that's why he said it. Oh, do all of you want to ruin our reputation? Do all of you want to ruin our lives? That is the dehumanization. That is an humiliation in social media. And I know all of you should face off your consequences. That is not really gonna do. I am saying to best spills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jima Casadil, Angelo Bonsa, and especially Jeffrey Asedio. Oh, you make all of us involved. And you know, Jean Asedio, you are working in Japan. What if the Interpol will track you, Jean Asedio? I know Japan is a member of Interpol. Oh, if the Interpol will see this, they will arrest you, Jean Asedio. Hey, you're a SPED teacher in Japan. Why are you making a bomb joke? Even you, Jeffrey Asedio. Oh, even you, Angelo Bonsa, and Jima Casandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez. You know, Jima Casandil, I know you are uncle of Paula Nunez. Please do not involve Jerick Silva. Do not threaten to bomb Davao. You know, Jima Casandil, you're an uncle of Paula Nunez. Paula Nunez, she doesn't like bomb joke. Oh, you have to apologize for all of your mistakes. I am say to Jima Casandil, look at what happened in Davao City. Oh, Jima Casandil, the police are gathering in the city when there is an arrest warrant of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Apollo Kibuloy. You know, Jima Casandil, you're the uncle of Paula Nunez, and you're working in abroad. You make a public apology to the people of Davao City and even Metro Manila. Apologize. Apologize to Quezon City. Apologize to Davao City. Oh, apologize to Joy Belmonte. Apologize to Sebastian Duterte. Oh, the mayor of Davao City. Apologize. And you have to apologize to Joseph Maspinas, Jima Casandil. Oh, this is not good.